Hi, I'm Elaine from Ezy Tow. I'm going to do a quick demonstration of how to fit our Ezy Tow system to your vehicle. Set this bar here to the width of your vehicle. Obviously, the wider the vehicle, the wider the setting. Next job, attach the Ezy Tow system to your vehicle. Push the loop up to the front of the vehicle's wishbone, put the chain through the wishbone and back round underneath the wishbone. Make sure your straps are long enough to reach the chain and make sure you put the chain through at least a couple of the loops. That's it for this side. Turn your wheels round the other way and repeat the process for the other side. Next, after you've attached to both sides of the wishbone, make sure your straps are nice and tight. Pull them through the ratchet system, pull backwards and forwards on the ratchet until it's tight. Repeat the process to the other side. Make sure the hitch is locked onto your tow ball before setting off. Turn your ignition to the first click to activate your power steering. Check it's out of gear and the handbrakes are off. When you're happy with everything, give it a final check over to make sure everything is tight and secure, and off you go. Thank you for taking the time to listen to Ezy Tow's demonstration.